Hello everybody, I am Dr. Amrita. Today I am going to talk about dietary management of diabetic patient. For diabetic patient, 3 points are very important. Number 1 is timing and the frequency. 3 major meals are very important: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And in between the 3 major meals, you need to take small amount of snacks. This snack supposed to be a very small portion. It should not be as like a meal. Second point is what kind of food you need to choose. Example like carbohydrates, you should take complex carbohydrates, not simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates examples are sugar, honey, could be a jaggery, or maybe sweets, maybe something lodgings or chocolates, this kind of thing. Complex carbohydrates are like brown bread, atta instead of maida, rice with the vegetables and salads. This kind of things are complex carbohydrate. Then comes to the protein. High quality of protein, low fat is the recommended. High quality protein means like non-veg source of protein, fish, chicken without skin, red meat, very less fat. Or for the vegetarian source is a tofu, homemade paneer, soybean, mushroom, cheese, low fat cheese. These all are good amount of protein. Then comes to the fat, saturated fatty acids try to be avoid. Example like mayonnaise, butter, ghee, banaspati, these all are saturated fatty acid, try to avoid. You should take PUFA-MUFA combination or omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids. These are we will get from like normal cooking oil, like rice bran oil, olive oil, canola oil, maybe you can get from sunflower oil, sesame oil, this oil. Number 3 point is very important, that is portion size, how much you need to take. Indians are always confused how much is my requirement. So always follow your RDA, recommended dietary allowances. So this will be decided by your total calorie requirement. If your requirement for calorie is 1800, so we will divide this 1800 in 3 portions: carbohydrate, protein and fat. Carbohydrate for Indians diabetic patients 55 to 60%. For the protein 1 to 1.2 gram per kg body weight if you don't have any other conditions. Fat should be rest amount. So this all information if I will going to put in a diet chart, diet plan, so it will be like that. Early morning you can take lukewarm water with lime juice but not honey, because I already told you honey is a simple carbohydrate. So take the lime water, lukewarm water if you are not gastritis patients. For lime juice is an important part, is it's a antioxidant, and along with that it is having some toxic agent it will remove from your body, so it will help you a lot. So you take that. You can start with the nuts, soaked nuts like almonds and walnuts, then start with your breakfast. If you are really very hurry, you can take directly your breakfast before anything. You don't need to take anything. So breakfast supposed to be a good portion of protein, like you can add egg supposed to be boiled, deep fry or omelette try to be avoid. Once in a while you can take, it's better to be a boiled, full boil, not half boil. Along with that, your carbs should be a good portion. It should not be very huge portion. Like we Indians are having a good portion of carbs in our breakfast, so better avoid that. Like for example, your idli, dosa, all these things requirements supposed to be 2 to 3 or maximum 4, not more than that. Instead of having rice idli dosa, better you make it like ragi or millets or semolina, this kind of idli dosa. Or maybe you can take a roti, 2 to maximum 2.5 numbers of roti. Or if you are really quick eater, so you can take oats instead of cornflakes. So that oats you can add some chia seeds, it will give you protein and fiber even. That along with that, nuts, almonds and walnuts, you can add low fat milk, and at the same time you can add low fat you can add some fruits. So fruits will be low glycemic index, supposed to be like pears or apple with skin, and pomegranate, maybe berries, any kind of berries. But banana, mango, jackfruit, these 3 fruits are very highly glycemic index, try to be avoided. Next comes to the lunch. You can take a good portion of protein again. Maybe it's a source of non-veg or veg. we comes to the lunch. Lunch should be a good portion of protein again. It could be a source of non-veg protein or veg protein. So non-veg protein, you can take fish, chicken without skin, and red meat, low fat, and which is very difficult to get it in India. And from veg source, maybe lentils, sambar, dal, or maybe tofu, maybe mushroom, maybe homemade paneer, this kind of thing. Along with that, a good portion of salads must be there, and carbohydrate portion you can reduce through these other foods. So if you are taking only rice, so you need a good portion of rice to fill yourself. So if you add more salads, vegetables, non-veg, so your quantity of rice you can reduce, or maybe other carbohydrates you can reduce. So normal example, for 1800 calorie, your lunch will be 100 gram of rice, or 2 chapati, or maximum 2.5 chapati. After lunch, you can take yogurt or curd, or maybe buttermilk. That's very important, without sugar, of course. So it will help you to digest your food. Then comes to the dinner. Always early dinner is preferable. Dinner you should take early. Why? Because you need a 2 hours minimum time to digest or absorb your body, the food to your body. After that, you can go for bed. So that is the reason we are generally recommended 7:30 to 8:30 your dinner time. Maybe early also more good, but maximum 9 you need to finish your dinner. So that dinner should be a very lighter than your lunch and breakfast. It could be your breakfast, you can repeat, or maybe you can take a bread, maybe Indian bread roti, again 2 portions, two numbers, along with a good amount of protein source, along with salads. Rice try to avoid for dinner because your body BMR is going to be slow because less of activity. So rice, if you are eating rice, you need a more activity to increase your BMR, so that your sugar level will not goes up. That's the reason generally we are recommending rice at lunchtime, not in dinner. Okay. So now snacks. Comes to the snacks. Indian snacks are mostly, it's a very oily and carbs based. So change your type of snacks. Like you can take nuts, you can almonds and walnuts, very good type of snacks. Maybe you can take granola bars, which is no sugar and very less fat, and no saturated fatty acids. But don't take a whole portion, take maybe half portion. That's really very big size. Maybe you can take fruits, high glycemic fruits try to avoid. Don't take fruit juice, just take fruits, chew and swallow. And banana, mango, jackfruit, lychee, sapota, these 5 fruits try to avoid, or any very sweet kind of fruit try to avoid. But you can take any other fruits, it's no restrictions. Sometimes you can take even banana and mango, but the portion size should be very important, how much you're taking, and it should be not in empty stomach, it should be in full stomach. That's important. The second comes snacks, maybe buttermilk without sugar, and low fat milk, maybe soup without corn flour, homemade one. Maybe you can take some very dry like pulses, made of pulses, some papar or maybe khakra, this kind of snacks. So bedtime snacks is very important. If you are taking bedtime snacks, so whole night you can cover your sugar level, you will not get any hypoglycemic symptoms. So bedtime snacks is very important. 10 o'clock snacks, one more snacks is also important in between the breakfast and lunch, so that you will not very hungry in lunchtime, and you will have your more food than your requirement. So 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock snacks also very important. And evening snacks also another important part, so that you will not give yourself a long time empty stomach, so that you will feel the next meal very hungry. These all tips if you maintain, then I think you will able to maintain your blood sugar level and your BP, blood pressure, along with your doctor prescriptions, whatever the medicines you are taking. So if you have any more questions or anything you want to know personally, so you can call me or message me in this number in particular time. So I'll be very much happy to help you whatever you have queries. Thank you so much for listening me. Stay safe.